Hello guys, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today I am going to show you the recipe of Shahi Moghlai chicken. Shahi Moghlai recipes are rich in flavors. They use dry fruits in their cuisines. They prefer rich flavors and aromas in their food, like using of saffron, rose water, kevra water, etc. Before going to the recipe, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. The ingredients for Royal Moghlai chicken recipe are 1 kilo of chicken I have cleaned and washed, 3 to 4 big onions sliced, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have taken 1 cup of curd. Whole spices are garam masala, 2 bay leaf, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 star anise and 4 to 5 cloves. I have taken 20 almonds and 10 cashew nuts that are soaked for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll be making paste of it afterwards. 4 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. I have taken a vessel, I have taken a pot and I'll add some oil to it. We'll fry the onions, slice it. I have heated the vessel and added the oil and ghee. Now we'll fry the onions till golden brown. The onions are becoming golden brown now. We'll remove it from the oil. In the same pot where we fried the onions, we'll now fry the chicken pieces into it. We'll fry the chicken onto the low flame. Just saute it for a while. Only the color of the chicken should get changed. We'll start with the whole spices for making the gravy. We'll add the bay leaf, the cardamoms, peppercorns, cloves, anise seed, cinnamon, shahi jeera also. We'll add ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of. Fry it properly. The raw smell should be gone, vanished. Now we'll start with our dry ingredients. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, roasted coriander seed powder, we'll add the onion paste we have roasted earlier. Now we'll add the fried chicken to the vessel, to the masala, this masala. Let the chicken cover all the masala. Mix it properly. It should be on medium flame. We'll cover with the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's see how chicken is done or not. The oil has released from the masala. Now we'll add the almond and cashew nut paste to it. As it is a royal dish, we have to see that all the royal ingredients are to be added. Mix it properly. Cashew will give a very rich flavor, creamy flavor to it. And we'll add the curd, 1 cup of curd to it. And the main ingredients, salt is in. 1.5 tablespoon of salt will be done. And the remaining onions, fried onions, will add to it. Now we'll add some water to it for making gravy. Near about half a liter of water. Let it cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. As we have fried the chicken, it is half done. Now we'll close the lid for 12 minutes. Let's see our chicken is done or not. Yeah, it's been cooked properly. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And some coriander leaves to it. And our royal Mughlai chicken recipe is done. We'll turn off the flame and take it out for the serving bowl. We'll take it in the serving bowl. We'll garnish with green coriander leaves, finely chopped. The royal Mughlai chicken recipe is ready to eat. If you like this Shahi Mughlai chicken recipe of mine, please try this at your home and let me know your experiences in comment box. And also subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you. Take care.